video, we will learn English words and sentences. Imagine speaking English confidently, without hesitation, without fear. So get ready, grab a notebook, and let's level up your English together. And don't forget, watch till the end, because your favorite word might be waiting for you there. Part 4. Advanced Daily Words. Improve, get better. Improve, get better. I want to improve my English. Increase, go up. Increase, go up. Prices increase every year. Decrease, go down. Decrease, go down. The temperature decreases at night. Achieve, reach a goal. Achieve, reach a goal. She achieved her goal. Fail, not succeed. Fail, not succeed. He failed the test. Succeed, win. Succeed, win. She succeeded in life. Create, make something. Create, make something. I create videos. Build, construct. Build, construct. They build houses. Develop, grow. Develop, grow. Children develop skills. Change, make different. Change, make different. I want to change my life. Solve, find answer. Solve, find answer. He solves problems fast. Plan, think ahead. Plan, think ahead. We plan our trip. Manage, control. Manage, control. She manages the team. Support, help. Support, help. I support my friends. Improve, make better. Improve, make better. Practice improves skills. Focus, concentrate. Focus, concentrate. Focus on your goal. Practice Repeat to learn. Practice. Repeat to learn. Practice every day. Prepare. Get ready. Prepare. Get ready. I prepare for exams. Explore. Discover. Explore. Discover. They explore new places. Discover. Find something new. Discover. Find something new. Scientists discover new things. Now tell me in the comments which word is your favorite. And if you want to speak English fluently, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing. Thanks for watching this video from Ash English Lab.